I've been exploring the Food Lion mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. The Food Lion app is designed for shoppers who regularly visit Food Lion stores and want an easier way to manage discounts, rewards, and pickup orders from their phone. It aims to bring the in-store loyalty program and weekly deals into a single, convenient mobile experience for everyday grocery shopping. At its core, the app focuses on digital savings and rewards, which is where many users find the most value. You can view your local weekly ad, browse coupons, and see various deals directly in the app. Then save them to your account so they apply automatically at checkout when you use your MVP card. This could be helpful if you like planning your grocery trip in advance, since you can quickly see what is on sale and build your list around current promotions instead of flipping through a paper circular. However, it is not without flaws, and some reviews point to quirks and frustrations that potential users should know about. One example is a complaint from a user who could not select the "I'm here" option when their pickup order was ready early, suggesting that certain timing or status conditions can interfere with the check-in flow after updates. This kind of issue can be particularly annoying if you are relying on a smooth curbside experience and do not want to call the store or find a workaround when you arrive. Overall, Food Lion's app is a solid choice if you value saving time, keeping all your coupons and rewards in one place, and using convenient pickup for your regular grocery trips. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.